So here we go. This is our rosé wine soap. And I mean, I'm digging it. I love the smell. The fragrance is absolutely great. It goes well with this soap. The color is really pretty. The color looks a lot like the actual wine. And I just think it's perfect. I absolutely love it. So we're gonna see what it looks like tomorrow when we cut. All right, 10 to 12 hours, I'll be back. Hey guys, we're back to cut rosé wine soap. I love it. Like, this color is so pretty. All right, let's get it cut. Oh man, that's gorgeous. And you can see a little bit of the uncolored batter in some of the bars. But it smells really nice and it's super pretty. It's got the perfect color for a rosé. Love this. And most wine soaps I've ever seen are really, really dark. But this one, you know, this one stayed really, really nice. And in fact, the bits of batter that are uncolored, you can clearly see, I mean, they're like, well, they're not white, but they're like off-white, cream colored. And I think even leaving this, you know, soap uncolored would have been pretty as well. Most wine soaps I've ever seen, like I said, they're brown or like brown or red color. But this is just gorgeous. I love this pink. Super happy with this. And it didn't get all super hot and gel and all that on the inside. Well, if it did, it fully gelled. It's not, you know, partial gel. I don't have the big ring in the center. So that I'm excited about as well. But I made sure I had that lye solution, the lye wine solution, down to a pretty cool temp before I soaked with it, and it was frozen in the beginning. So I think it worked out really, really well. I'm super happy with it. I hope you guys like it. It smells amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video now. So go to our Facebook page. You can follow us, like, comment, share on Facebook, Instagram. If you like our video content, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm. We appreciate everybody stopping by. And if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be alerted every time we do a new upload. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.